And you, and you, and you, you're gonna need me.
Yeah, normal manly.
You're not gonna take picture?
No? Why? I'm not going anywhere.
You want to take picture?
If you want to
You want to go down
come
this?
down, let me tell you, come, yeah, pass this.
Guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now today is another vlog. Yes, we have the vlogs that might come out. So if you have not watched my previous video, go back and watch it right now. Now today is a airport run and I'm on NDC Road, you know, which part the seaside there, you know, so give me a roll down. If this is the first time on my channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the post notifications whenever I release a new video. You will be the first to know. And if I your 100th time coming back to my channel, welcome back. Yeah. Alright, come Ellen. Ellen. So this is my cousin, my brother, my namesake, Mr. Farmer. Let's keep enough time in the video here. We're gonna pick up somebody. You will see who. And we're gonna take some pictures right now, right? Come take a picture. You can video and take a picture.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, I gas no breaks, baby, let them hold me. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way.
You think that's him? How are you do, brother?
Father, good. Watch out. They're not ready. We don't want to work at them place or that. Will they get me sitting the fast down?
You want
No.
Lisa?
Yeah, no. I'll say go. No, I'll say go. You want to work at embassy?
Never lie to me, keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up, everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a failure. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should.
Alright guys, so I'm at the airport now, waiting for the person, but you know as always how Jamaican airport go. It's either it's delay or they just can't find a way out, even though it's not hard to find a way out. But it's just kinda crazy. So at least it's not busy, so they're not running us from here. Because before when I came to the airport I had to be circling because you know so my space not there if we park or anything. So I'm just gonna chill here for a bit. I told Roland to go and ask about the flight because it's either it's still in the air or they're checking off or something. So I'm gonna go check on that and come back. Or I probably should land already long time. I don't know. So just waiting. Hey guys. Yo. Anyway, in the car is down at the airport, right? Me I say no police now harass me, so I'm gonna just chill there. Even though me know I'm not supposed to be there, right? Just see this truck come beside me with the clamps on, with the mag clamp the wheel. When the man come now and looking at the car and see me wind down the window, I say, yo, oh yeah, don't clamp me. I was like, you know, you're not supposed to be here. I'm like, yeah, me know me and we pass somebody will come out. And he was like, you know, just circle and come back. Little mouse. Yo, those are them need to do something about the airport them. I don't know. But anyway, I'm back here and these people are take pictures. I guess it's birthday picture. Huh? Look at her. She don't look bad. The little blue dress look nice and her makeup look good. Yeah, girl. In a taxi. Yeah, girl. Like she got change clothes or something. Or I done them done. Oh, I done them done. And then like the little girl. Oh, 18. She like 18. 18. All me think she like 30 something. No, sir. 18. That's not right. Anyway, yeah. So, this I'm gonna go in front of the car. Talk to it. Oh, I am drop them like I went there in the taxi. Anyway, Rolando out there, so he might call me when him see her or something like that because it don't make no sense. I'm not about to pay no money when I not have to pay. Anyway, I'll catch you back.
V-La-Nessa. Yeah, V-La-Nessa. That's what she said. She's V-La-Nessa. And
Roldan.
oh, Raldan. And Pusha gone down the road down there. I don't know what he's searching for. Yeah, but we are here. You know, just getting few things. Yes, with V-La-Nessa.
V-La-Nessa.
V-La-Nessa, yeah. And Randall, who is the chauffeur, and he's also a bodyguard also. And he's the one who are the
Farmers protection.
see? And he's also the one with the navigator, yes. If we lost, he shows us the way, yes. Because you know, living in Jamaica and leave here, sometimes you come back, you don't know where to go. You know, you don't know where good and where bad. So he's the navigator to show me around, to take us around, and to take us around. So I really appreciate him, you know, being there. You know, I mean, he's a good guy, good guy.
We have to stop because the copyright.
Okay.
Browning.
Hi, how you doing? I'm in Old Adobe Bay fish market. Yeah, getting some fish. The price is really good down here. I've been down here for like decades. So I just feel like I have a drive out today, yeah, to come and get some fish. I get some fried fish, have some pate, and I'm gonna have some soup, some fish soup later on. Yeah, so see the fish then there. The man is scared. See? The man is scaling the fish. Yeah, the man is scaling the fish. So we're gonna take out the fish and we're gonna fry the fish. We're gonna steam the fish. We're gonna extra bleach the fish. We're gonna make fish tea. What else can you do with the fish?
Roast the fish.
We can roast the fish. We're gonna roast the fish. We're gonna jerk the fish. What else can we do? We're gonna steam the fish. I say steam. We're gonna steam the fish. Yeah, and then we're gonna eat the fish. We're gonna share the fish also. Yeah, we're not gonna be selfish, you know, and just sit down and just eat all the fish.
Yeah,
we're gonna eat the fish also, and we're gonna share the fish also. Yeah. So we're just waiting to see our next boat come in. See if we can get some, you know, lobster. Yeah, we're gonna get some lobster. Yes. Yeah. You jealous? Bad mind.
Wish I had a little more time with you, baby. could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last when tears streamed down my face.
And so we just come back from Adobe. We went to Adobe Bay, and I went to the supermarket and into the market. And as you can see, my mother did take over the vlog. We never really vlog much because we were in the mood. But I come home, wash the fish with lime and vinegar, bag them out. I put like the fish that I'm going to do like fish tea in, like the doctor fish, and the next one I don't know what them name. And then I put like the parrot and the grunt. I don't know the fish. I just know parrot fish, and bag them up. So here they are. So it's about 19 pound worth of fish, and that costs about around 8,000 around 8,000. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge and come back. Hi morning, so today is Sunday and we're cooking Sunday dinner. No, tell me that your mother is here without telling me that your mother is here. You know how long I not oxo coconut? Like a long time. I just use a sachet. I know I'm not supposed to do it, but I don't have time for that. Anyway, I'm gonna continue cooking today.
Gradually fades away. All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what
Hey guys, so I didn't do a lot of vlogging with my mom, but today's the day she's going to leave, like almost 2 months. And we're here doing some shopping. We just buy a box of patty for her to carry up. And she's now at KFC, and then we're going to go to the jerk pork. Fish, I can't food. I don't know why she's doing it so much. She should just pack a bar and done. So we just carry that for dropping at the car, and then we're gonna meet her at KFC. So I'll be back. The Joans. Oh, you want to name Joan Anson. Joan Anson. Meeting Joan Anson.
Auntie, it's cool. Auntie,
For when Edley say my change its tone.
it's cool, Auntie. Come and stay. You have visit, Auntie. Auntie, rest in peace. Me and Joanna and Latoya is here.
Auntie didn't know, so she got it, you know. She tell me. She say she just live to see her birthday and gone.
Hello. Huh? Which dad?
Oh, Edley.
Oh, he's in England.
Okay, go by anyway.
That's people know him.
Natalie is saying come over here and sit down to our people.
Auntie,
And wash it off.
you're for a while, but I'm going back today. Gone March. Like January. We will always remember you.
Until no born no March, I Celestine birthday.
And January. Check. Already.
Okay guys, so that last clip was the day that my mom was going to the airport, and we just decided to stop by our aunt to pay her a visit, before she leave. Yes, she died a couple years ago, but she was very good to us, and her memories still live on. Now, as you can see throughout the vlog, I didn't do much, but today is Mother's Day, and I just want to wish my mom a happy Mother's Day. And I know she already celebrate this in March because England and America and Jamaica have different day that they celebrate Mother's Days on. But I am Jamaican, so I'm gonna celebrate it anyway. So nothing wrong if you have two Mother's Day. I promise that next Mother's Day will be the best Mother's Day, Yeah, make her special and so forth, buy her things and so forth. This time around, I'm getting there, and she deserved the best. So happy Mother's to you, Jenny's cool, me Buduno's mother, and to all of the mothers out there, I want to wish you a happy Mother's Day. So if you reach this far in my video and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, the button is there, it's free, and comment down below red. Yeah, comment down below red so that I can see that you watch my video to the end. I'm going to now move over to my traveling vlogs. So if you want to see my traveling vlogs, travel with me and all those stuff, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.